Hello everyone, welcome to XAMPP tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn configuration of Codeigniter using XAMPP. So for configuration, the Codeigniter is quite easy to install with the XAMPP, and XAMPP already installation we have seen. Now we are going to download the Codeigniter. So this is a path for the downloading the Codeigniter. So in this path, whenever you will open this path, you will get the Codeigniter file, download file. So Codeigniter 4 is the latest version, Codeigniter 3 is the legacy version. So as per your requirement you can download, and this supports up to 5.6 plus, and this support up from 7.3 plus. Okay, so just I'll give the example of the one of these. So already I have downloaded the Codeigniter, so just I am going through the Codeigniter 3. So just unzip the Codeigniter 3. So this is my Codeigniter 3. I'm going to write the Codeigniter 3. So there you can see the application path, system path, and some other configuration files are there. So just copy the Codeigniter 3 and go to your XAMPP folder. Inside the XAMPP folder there is a htdoc. Inside the htdoc just paste the your Codeigniter file. So this is my Codeigniter file, Codeigniter 3. I'm just testing for that. So just keeping the name, and now just open your XAMPP control panel. Just start the Apache, just like your Apache and MySQL is already stopped there. So start the Apache, start the MySQL if you using any database, or if you're not using, then monitor start and go to your page 51/Codeigniter 3. So I'm going to run. So welcome to the Codeigniter. Your page is looking the generated by dynamic by Codeigniter. So this is my path. It's already this is my default page for the Codeigniter 3. So Codeigniter 3 is configured here, and page rendered in this many seconds. Thank you for watching.